Unraveling Churn Out, Mastering English Idioms. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of a very common English phrase, churn out. If you've heard it before and found yourself puzzled, worry no more. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but how to use it like a native speaker. So, let's get started. When we hear the word churn, we might think of the traditional method of making butter, where you continuously stir cream until it thickens into butter. From this action, the phrase churn out has evolved to mean producing something repeatedly and in large quantities, often without much concern for the quality. The idiom churn out dates back to the industrial era, where machines started to produce goods quickly and efficiently, much like a butter churn produces butter. Over time, this phrase has become part of everyday English to describe any process that produces large amounts of something at a speedy rate. Now, let's see how we can use churn out in various sentences. A factory that churns out cars. A writer who churns out novels every year. A company that churns out the same type of product, with little variation. Notice how in each case, the phrase implies speed and quantity? That's the crux of using churn out effectively. You might wonder, how is churn out different from produce? Well, produce is a neutral term that simply means to make or create. Churn out, on the other hand, carries a subtle implication that the things are being made very quickly, and sometimes implies that quality is not the top priority. And there we have it. You now know what churn out means, its origins, and how to use it correctly. Remember, idioms like this add flavor to the language and can make your English sound more natural. So, go ahead, try churning out some sentences of your own. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.